So this is a series I'm actually uploading video on how to trade forex and binary option, that's deriv. So that you like this video, subscribe to this channel and enable the notification bell button so that whenever I upload videos on this series you get to stay tuned. All right, this whatever strategy I'm going to lay down here for you guys are strategies that I've actually used to make passive income, all right, before, and I'm still using right now, and they have never actually failed me. All right, as this whole trading platform begins to develop and evolve, metamorphosize into some nice sleeky looking platform, better than before. So you be sure that you always stay tuned to always get updates like this. All right, so let us get started with how this whole thing on how to register and start operating on binary.com works. All right. So what is trading? First of all, if most people may ask now, there's when people mention forex trading is part of trading, is not entirely what trading is all about. So when we mention trading, we have forex trading, which is currency pairs trading, which I'll explain all these terminologies very well in later videos. All right, then we have forex trading, which is currency pairs trading, whereby you trade one country's currency against another country's currency. Okay, we have commodities trading, then we have volatility trading, we have cryptocurrency trading, and then we have stock trading. There are so many. All right, I can't explain everything in one. So now what I'm actually introducing you guys to here is binary option trading. All right, whereby you have the ability to trade the options, and then you also have the ability to trade the CFD or the MT5 version of the binary option. All right, so when you are trading, you need to know, you need a broker, and you need a trustworthy broker. And this broker is what I've actually been using for years. There are other brokers that are also as trustworthy as this particular one, called deriv. So if you don't have a deriv account, the first link in the description is a deriv account link. Click on it and register. All right, so I've been using deriv for over 6-7 years right now, and they've not actually defaulted in any way. All right, I'm even one of their, okay, I'm so close to them that I got invited some few weeks ago when they came into my city, which is Port Harcourt. All right, so I was actually recognized. Okay, so you can see the picture somewhere there and somewhere there. So I'm not going to introduce you to something that I'm not using. All right, so let's just begin with the training right now. All right, first of all, you need to register an account. Click on the link, register an account. This is the process to go about registering an account. See you in the next video.
Alright, so the first thing that we're going to have to do is to click on the link below, and I've provided in the description of this video, to register for a deriv account. So when you click on it, it will take you to this interface you're looking at. Alright, this was done on mobile. So you click on sign up. When you click on sign up, enter your email. So once you enter your email address, now a link will be sent directly to your email once you've properly entered your email address to sign up. So we can go to email to continue the sign up process. From your email, click on the deriv link and then click on verify my email, which is the first step. All right, now once you click on that link, it will take you back to deriv site. Now once you are here, the next thing that you're going to have to do here is to complete the demo account sign up. All right, so the next thing is, this will prompt us to set a password and then to fully set up our demo account. All right, now I have to set up a password for my account right here. But first of all, before that is done, I have to choose my country. Be careful not to choose another country, because that will affect your entire account as per the depositing method, the withdrawal method, and some other features. So now I chose Nigeria because I'm from Nigeria, and then I have to choose my password carefully. All right, remember to choose a very strong password, and you choose a password that you won't forget. All right, so now I'm done setting up my password properly, then I click create. Now this is my demo account. I've automatically just created demo account by just going through this process. So if you've done this Congratulations, you've successfully created the demo account on deriv and you have a $10,000 practice balance on your demo account. Now the next thing you have to do is to choose the account type. All right, I believe most of you all want to trade options, so click on the option right there. All right, so now you have 10,000 in your balance. With this 10,000 I can do as much practice as possible, and then if the 10,000 is exhausted while practicing, you can always request for a new one. So now to create a real account, which is the next step, click on that uh, menu and then click on real, then you click on add. All right, so you could see the MT5, you could see other options there. On the first one where you see deriv account, click on add. Now when you click on add, this will prompt you to set up your real account, and the first place it will take you to is where you set up your currency. I recommend you to set up USD, that's US dollar, or as most person will go for pounds and other currency. The exchange for those currencies are limited online, so go for USD, as you will always find means to deposit using USD around the internet. So once you choose USD, click on the next button. So apart from the USD, if you want to go for cryptocurrency, it's also nice. You can deposit using cryptocurrency like Ethereum, Bitcoin, or whatever crypto you choose. So click on next, set up your profile by entering your details, starting from with your first name and your postal address and every other details that is required of you. Remember to choose your details correctly, then check those buttons right there and then click submit. All right, add account. That you successfully created a real account. This simply means that you can both trade on demo and trade on real. You can see your real account showing $0.0 there whenever you have money to deposit in your account. So now we're just going to proceed to create the MT5 account, because it's MT5 we are going to trade. All right, so you click on that MT5 there and add account, and then you create your details, add your password, and then click on create. Now what you are creating is synthetic indices MT5. If you want to be trading forex market, then you have to click on financial STP. If you want to trade volatility market, synthetic indices. Okay, so this lesson is going to be about synthetic indices because that's what I trade most of the time. The same knowledge you get from here, you can apply it on the forex market as well. All right, however, this is one thing I want you to note. If you want to create a real MT5 account, your account has to be on real before you click on that MT5 and then add. Then if you want to create a demo, the counterpart demo account, your account has to be on demo. You have to switch from that real you are seeing right there to demo before you can create a demo. It means that creating a demo MT5 means that you have a demo balance where you can practice with. All right, so once you've successfully done that, you can go to your Play Store and download MT5. All right, MT5 is a general account where you have to sign in with a broker. So go on your Play Store. If you're using iPhone, go to your iOS store and search MT5. All right, you see this app right here, MetaTrader 5 Forex and stock trading. Click on it, download it. So once you download it, then we're going to log in with our account details that we created on our broker deriv. Now that you're done doing all of this, click on that open button to sign in. So it will, most times it will load automatic demo account, then accept the terms and condition there, and we'll have it loading this way, and then we'll have it look like this. All right, the next thing that you have to do here is to sign in with your account that we created initially. All right, what you're looking at here is just DMT5 demo. So you click on that menu bar, click on that plus sign to add, then search here deriv. There are so many brokers that you can sign in here with. All right, but the broker we're using is deriv, the one we just signed up with. Click there to search deriv. So you click on deriv limited. Now when you are signing in, now put in the number that was written there and then enter your password. All right, so if you are signing into a demo account, you have to switch that into demo right there. If you're signing into a real account, you have to switch it to real account. So also check that there are several servers there, so choose the server that is written on your deriv account. All right, so if you enter your real account details here, and then this place is checked as demo. The server type is demo. You will not be able to log in, so you need to be careful how you log in so that you not be confused or lose your details due to carelessness. All right, so let's go back and copy our details and log into our DMT5 right now. So you have to log in with your details there, then you click sign in and you have your account looking like this. Congratulations, you successfully created an account on deriv with an MT5 account attached. This is the demo version. From here we can practice and then do more in the future. All right, so if you click on the chart, you will see your chart looking like this. Click on the quote, you will see different markets, and then if you click on the balance, the trade there, you will see your balance. All right, so next video I'm going to upload details on how you can navigate around this DMT5, and then we're going to upload how we can actually trade on DMT5. So be sure that by this time you are subscribed to my channel, you like this video, and then comment in the comment section anything you don't understand or any particular section of this video that you always like me to explain. All right,
So now you have gotten to this point of this video, please do well to just subscribe or like the video and then comment in the comment section. Always follow me on Instagram at BarinuaTradex, Facebook at 𝗦𝗚𝗡𝗦𝗧. Alright, and then we'll do other things from there. Alright.